rule in Kannauj. They protected India from Arab invasions. Mihir Bhoj, who was also known as Bhoj, was the most powerful ruler of his dynasty. He fought mm, many battles with the Rash, Rash, Rashtra,
Rashtrakutas.
Rashtrakutas during his reign. We will learn about the Rashtrakutas later. The Parma dynasty ruled Malwa, Uzains, and Daharnagari were the two main cities of Malwa. Daharnagari is known as the Dar district of Madhya Pradesh at present. King Modh and King Bhoj of Parma dynasty were not only good rulers but also good poets. They gave patronage to the scholars in their courts. Raja Bhoj or King Bhoj made their Dharnagari the center of studies Vidyanagari and established a university Vidyapit for the study of Sanskrit literature.
Literature.
literature. Many arti, ma'am, what is
Architectural.
many architecture monuments were built during this time. The Parmars fought many battles with the Chalukyas of the south after the death of Raja Bhoj. The kingdom of Malwa weakened. Ma'am, can I continue?
No, I want someone else. Yes, who would like to take a turn?
Can I?
Your
Ma'am,
good
can I
name?
read Odessa?
Tanya.
Tanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, बेटा. तानिया के सानिया?
Sania.
Yeah.
हाँ. I was confused कैसे को इससे तो कोई नाम की गर्ल नहीं है. Yes, Tanya.
The rulers of the Pala dynasty and Sen dynasty ruled in Bihar and Bengal. The rulers of the Pala dynasty had added Pala to their names, and so their dynasty was known as the Pala dynasty. With the help of your teacher and the library, find out more information about the rulers of the Pala dynasty. Many Rajput rulers of the Chauhan or Chahman dynasty ruled over various parts of the Rajasthan during 7th and 8th century CE. Of them, one branch ruled over Shakambari, a place near Lake Sambhar, which is to the north Ajmer. In the beginning of the 8th century, Ajiraj ascended the throne of Shankbhari in the 12th century. He established the city of Ajmeru, which later came to be known Ajmer.
Very good, Tanya. Yes, Modesa. Modesa.
Yes, ma'am.
Next paragraph बेटा.
Yes. The rule of the rule of Chauhan dynasty kept the rule of Chauhan dynasty captured Delhi, the capital of the Tomar king, and established their supreme
Supremacy.
supremacy. Uh, Pritha, Prithviraj or
Rai Pithora.
Rai Pithora was a powerful ruler of the Chauhan dynasty. He is unparalleled in the history of India. Many stories and folk songs have been written about his bravery of the battlefield. Chand Barad Chand
Chan Bardai.
Chand Bardaye, a, a famous poet, has written about Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan's valor in the epic Prithviraj Raso. We shall learn about the battle between Prithviraj Chauhan and Shah, Shabu,
Shabuddin Gori.
Shabuddin Muhammad Ghori later. The Goli of Rohils of Mewar, who were later known as the Sisodia Rajputs, hold a unique position in medieval history. It is said that Bapa Raval established his dynasty. During the Rajput era, the Chedi dynasty ruled over Jabalpur, which is the south of river Narmada, Madhya Pradesh. It Madhya Pradesh. It was known as the Chedi dynasty of Kalan
Kalachuri.
Kalachuri, with
Which
its capital at Tripura,
Tripura
in
નથી. It is
present
Tripuri.
day Tiwar.
Tripuri છે જો.
In the medieval era in Gujarat, the Rajput dynasties of a Chave, Chavedas followed by
ચાવડાસ.
the Chavdas followed by the Solankis ruled over Anhilwada Patna.
અનિલવાડ પાટણ.
Anilwad Patan. There, there were many violent rules of the
Violent નહીં,
dynasty about
valiant.
whom
Valiant.
valiant,
Valiant. હા.
valiant rules of this dynasty about whom we will study later. South
Okay.
India.
એક મિનિટ, એક
During the
મિનિટ, એક મિનિટ, એક મિનિટ. Pause, pause. Now Rabia will read from South India.
okay, ma'am.
Yes, Rabia.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. South India. During the Rajput era, many big and small states were established in South India. After the demise of Pulkeshi II, his vast empire disintegrated into smaller states. The reign of many rulers of the Chalukya dynasty is not worthy. The kingdoms of the Pallava and the Chola dynasties are also included in the states of South India. Nar- Narsingh Varma was a strong ruler of the Pallava dynasty. The emperors of this dynasty were lovers of art and literature. The Kailashnath temple of Kanchi is the best example of Pallava architecture. The Chola
Very good.
dynasty
Hmm.
the Chola dynasty also ruled in the south. Tanjore was their capital. The rulers of Chola dynasty attacked Ceylon and annexed many terrorists. The Cholas had a powerful navy because of which they could attack countries even across the sea. Raj, Rajraja I adopted a very systematic way of administration in his state. He started with the measurement of land and local self-government. Apart from them, the Rashtrakuta, Chera and Pandya dynasties also ruled in South India. So it is evident that many dynasties ruled at different places during the Rajput age. There were frequent battles between them to annex each other's areas. Due to the internal conflicts, there was no unity among them. Foreign, foreign invaders took
Invader.
advantage of this. We'll discuss the administration and culture during the Rajput era in the next unit.
Yes. Rabia, read the first line.
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
read
ma'am.
it, ma'am?
Wait, 1 minute. Rabia, read the first line.
Rise of new dynasties. After the death of Emperor Harshvardhan in the middle of 7th century CE, many feudal chieftains and
First, first two lines.
in South India,
Hmm.
During the Rajput era, many big and small states were established in South India. After the demise of Pulkeshi II, his vast empire disintegrated into smaller states.
First line.
After the death of Emperor Harshvardhan in the middle of 7th century CE, many feudal chieftains and landlords declared themselves to be independent and founded new dynasties.
First two lines.
During the Rajput era, many big and small states were established in South India. After the demise of Pulkeshi II, his vast empire disintegrated into small states.
Yeah. So you understood what I am trying to do is? Anyone of you understood?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
What did you
Yes,
understand,
ma'am.
Modesa? Modesa, what did you understand?
Uh, Ma'am, in South India, Rajput age, uh, small states were established, and Pulkesh too.
नारे ना चलो कौन समझा
Ma'am, can I? Humaira.
हाँ बोलो हो मेरा बोलो
In Rajput, most of the states were established during Rajput age, and after the death of Pulkeshi II, his vast empire of the Pallava dynasty, the emperors of this dynasty
no
were
no 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 you are right you are not wrong but what I want to say you here is that you understood by reading repeatedly these two lines and these two lines Rabia, did you get anyone got no one got it
No, ma'am.
See, in this paragraph, we saw that after the death of Emperor Harshvardhan, in the middle of 7th century, many feudal lords, chieftains, and landlords declared themselves to be independent and founded new dynasties. तो वो कहाँ पे फाउंड हुई नॉर्थ इंडिया में सेम है सेम here in South India. After the demise of Pulkeshi II, his vast empire disintegrated into smaller and bigger states. Do you get my point?
Yes.
Yes. What did you get? What did you get? At the same time, when Harshvardhan was ruling in the North India, Pulkeshi II was ruling where? In the South India. Where was he ruling?
In South India.
Huh. So what does it say here? Chalo, say me. So what does it indicate here? It indicates that what it is here written that हर्षवर्धन के बाद पुलकेशी टू का जैसे आया साउथ इंडिया में ओके स्टेट स्मॉलर एंड बिगर स्टेट्स कहाँ पे फॉर्म हुए स्मॉलर स्टेट स्मॉल एंड बिग स्टेट्स फॉर्म हुए साउथ इंडिया में राइट सो द किंगडम ऑफ पल्लवा and Chola dynasties are also included in the states of South India. Okay, Pallava and Chola are also included in the states of South India. Narsi Varma was a strong ruler of Pallava dynasty. Okay, who was a strong ruler? In the South India, right? Narsi Varma was a strong ruler of Pallava dynasty. The rulers of this dynasty were lover of arts and literature. Literature is what the booking, all the work, right? but they were lover of arts as well. And for that, the best example in the history is the Kailash Nath temple of Kanchi. Okay, the best example of Pallava architecture. Okay, girls. Now comes the Chola dynasty that also ruled in the south. And the capital of Chola dynasty was Tanjore. What was the capital, beta? Capital of Chola dynasty was what, beta? Capital of Chola dynasty was Tanjore.
Tanjore.
Can you see down, girls? That is all South India. Can you see? Can you see, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
जहाँ की हम अभी बात कर रहे हैं. Okay. Okay, so Tanjore was their capital. The rulers of Chola dynasty attacked Ceylon and annexed many territories. The Chola had a powerful navy because of which they could attack. Huh?
Maria Media, चले. एक मिनट.
With which they could attack countries even across the sea. Raj Raja I adopted a. Whose mic is on?
मेरा
किसी का माइक ऑन है? Okay. So the Cholas had a powerful navy because of which they could attack. Excuse me. Where they could attack across the countries, across the seas also, right? Because they had a powerful navy apart from powerful army. Rajaraja I adopted the very, I'm sorry girls, the very systematic way of administration in the state. A systematic way, बहुत systematic way. और उसका best example है, he started with the measurement of land. Now, why measurement of land is considered important? Because, because of the measurement of the land, people used to do agriculture work, so a lot of taxes could be collected, right? So, he started with the measurement of the land and local self-government. And what other he started? Local self-government. Clear till here? I know it is little, both the things will be get mixed and it will be a little confusing, but don't worry, it will be very easy to remember by repeated revision. Okay? Madhisa, can you revise?
Yes, ma'am. South India. During the Rajput era, many big and small states were established in South India. After the demise of Pulkesh II, his vast empire is. Ma'am, what is this?
Disintegrated.
Is integrated into smaller states. The region of many rules of the Chalukya dynasty in noteworthy The kingdom of Pallava and the Chola dynasties are, are also included in the state of South India. Nar, Narsi, Narsinha
Narsi Verma.
Verma was
Narsi Verma.
Narsinha was a strong ruler of Palwa dynasty. The emperors of this dynasty were lovers of art and literature. The Kalishnath temple of Kanchi
Kailashnath. Kailashnath.
Kailashna temple of Kanchi is the best example of Palwa architecture. The Chola dynasty also ruled in the south. Tan, Tanjore was their capital. The ruler of Chola dynasty attacked Ceylon and 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 annexed terri- many territories. The Cholas had a powerful navy because of which they could attack countries even across the sea. Raja 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 Javan measurement of land and local self-government.
Yes. Understood everyone till here?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
chalo. Chalo. Yes. The last para before things to know who will revise?
Can I read Zainab?
Who will revise?
Can I Zainab?
Yes, Zainab, you can.
The Chola dynasty also ruled in the south. Tanjore was their capital. The rulers of the Chola dynasty attacked Ceylon and annexed many territories. The Cholas had a powerful navy because of which they could attack countries even across the sea. Raj, Raj Raja Raj Raja one adapted a very systematic
Systematic.
systematic systematic
Systematic.
way of administration in his state. He started with the measurement of land and local self-government. From them, the Rashtrakuta, Chera and Pandya dynasties also ruled in South India. So it is evident that many dynasties ruled at different places during the Rajput age. There are frequent battles between them to annex each other's areas. Due, due to the international conflicts, there was no unity among them. Foreign invaders took advantage of this. We will discuss the administration and culture during the Rajput era in the next unit.
Yes. Yes, very good. So this last paragraph, I guess I have to explain, right? Apart from them, the Rashtrakutas, Cheras, and Pandya dynasty also ruled in the South India. So it is evident that many dynasties ruled after at different places during the Rajput age. Main point is there were frequent battles between them to annex each other's area. ओके अलग अलग बहुत सारे बैटल्स होती थी उन लोगों के बीच में राइट foreign invaders took advantage of this right and because of that better foreign invaders were able to rule in our country because of the internal conflicts. Everywhere where you see in India, when the see if you see when the Britishers arrived in India, beta, उस टाइम पे हमारे अंदर क्या चल रहा था, internal conflicts were there, and because of this internal conflicts, they took the advantage and they started ruling on us. Am I clear? Am I clear? That there's a story.
Yes.
Remember this story
Yes, ma'am.
about two monkeys, about the two monkeys. Remember? Sorry, about the two cats fighting for a piece of bread. Remember? There are two cats. Okay, they see a piece of bread, right? And they both are hungry, right? So what do? They start fighting. Okay, both of them have seen as one piece of bread. Understood? So both of them start fighting for that piece of bread. Now the monkey is watching everything from the tree, and he says that, wait, I will make it equal for you both. Okay, don't fight. I will make it two parts equally for each of you. So what does he do? He makes the two parts of the bread. Still the cats are fighting. Okay, you got a bigger one and I got a smaller one. Understood? So when they are fighting again, what happens now? That the monkey again says, "के लाओ लाओ मैं फिर से इसके दो पार्ट्स कर देता हूँ, है ना? Yes or no? So what does he do? He eats the half part of the cake. Understood? What does he do? He eats the half part of the bread and says, ચલો હવે આ તમારો બેન equal equal થઈ ગયો. So still they are fighting cats कि ना जी मारू मोटू आनु नानु मारू मोटू, right? So again what happens? The monkey says, okay लाओ मैं थोड़ा और equal part कर देता. So he again eats the half of the roti. Understood? Still the cats are fighting कि ना आने मोटू मेळो मने नानु मेळो. Like that way, right? She got more, I got less. So again, what does the monkey do? Okay, don't fight. I'm still making the equal part. એટલે slowly and gradually શું થાય, ચપાટી જ આખી પૂરી થઈ જાય, રોટી જ આખી, બ્રેડ જ આખી પૂરી થઈ જાય, right? So here what it is, who is the monkey here? The foreign invaders, right? The foreign invaders took the advantage of the internal conflict. Understood? એ બ્રિટિશર્સ આપણી પર રૂલ કરવા આવ્યા હતા, એ લોકોએ શું જોયું કે people are continuously fighting with each other. Understood? Do you get my point? No one got my point. Girls got my point or not? Girls, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who understood the story?
Hi, Rabia.
What is the story? Say, Rabia. Say, Rabia. Say in your own
Yes,
words.
ma'am. Yes. There were two cats, and they had roti. So they both decided to uh, divide it equally.
Very good.
So they went to a monkey and told him to divide the roti into equal halves. So monkey divided it, but the cat started fighting that no, her is bigger and my is smaller. So monkey ate some portion from the part which was bigger. Still they were fighting that no, now her is smaller and my is bigger. So they again started fighting. So monkey again ate a piece from that roti and gave them. Still they were fighting. So like this they kept on fighting, and at end um, uh, monkey ate the whole roti.
Yes. So who is monkey here? The Britishers who came to India, the foreign invaders, right?
Yes.
And who are the cats? The kings of all these dynasties, beta. See, it is
Yes.
written here, na? See, read the last
Madam,
paragraph.
ma'am, what is homework?
Wait, beta, still I'm explaining. Read the last paragraph, Rabia.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
want
ma'am.
to read.
Apart from them, the Rashtrakuta, Chera, and Pandya dynasties also ruled in South India. So it is evident that many dynasties ruled at different places during the Rajput age. There were frequent battles between them to annex each other's areas. Due to the internal conflicts, there was no unity among them. Foreign invaders took advantage of this. We will discuss the administration and culture during the Rajput era in the next unit.
Understood what I mean to say?
Yes.
Yes.
All of you?
Aina, please
Yes.
mute your mic.
Understood or not, girls? What I mean to say?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Understood.
So
Yes.
this thing only Britishers came and did in India, right? Divide and rule policy जिसे कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं बेटा?